Hello and welcome to BIM Square. Today we have an exam to test your BIM skills. The exam is 30 questions. And you have 70 minutes to solve it. The complete practice exams will find in a link in the description. You can pause the video after each question so that you solve them by yourself. So let's start the exam. And good luck. Here we have question 1. It says, with dots a team can develop, evaluate, and redesign building components and rooms within a single project file. The answer is, design options. Question 2, the project base point. The answer is, establishes a reference for measuring distances and positioning objects in relation to the model. Question 3, in-place masses are used for mass forms that are unique to a project. The answer is, true. Question 4, the location of the internal origin never moves. The answer is, true. Question 5, in Revit walls. What is a finish layer? The answer is, a finish layer, for example, the top surface of the building pad. Question 6, what is a mass face? The answer is, a surface on a mass instance that can be used to create a building element, such as a wall or roof. Question 7, which is not a kind of families in Revit? The answer is, outsource families. Question 8, your session of Revit can reference dots shared parameter files at a time. The answer is, 1. Question 9, the materials in a compound element cannot be tagged. The answer is, false. Question 10, geographic location. The answer is, specifies the model's real-world location using global coordinates. Question 11, what is a mass floor? The answer is, a horizontal slice through a mass at a defined level. It provides geometric information about the dimensions of the mass above the slice, up to the next slice or the top of the mass. Question 12, door needs dots, to be created in Revit. The answer is, a host element. Question 13, are annotations that are generally used to enumerate instances of doors within a project by displaying the value of the door's mark property. The answer is, door tags. Question 14, you can reposition a door on the wall on which it was originally placed. To move the door to a different wall, use. The answer is, pick new host. Question 15, if you have attached columns to roofs, floors, or other elements, you can use the tool to reverse the attachment. The answer is, detach top base. Question 16, what is a mass form? The answer is, the overall form of each mass family or in-place mass. Question 17, dots are unique elements that you create when you need to create a unique component that is specific to the current project. The answer is, in-place families. Question 18, project north. The answer is, orients the predominant axis of the building geometry with the top of the drawing area for easy design and placement on sheets. Question 19, methods of roof creation in Revit are. Choose all correct answers. The answer is, by footprint, by extrusion, roof by face. Question 20, dots is a collection of elements in a work shared project. And is a way to apply permissions to objects in Revit. The answer is, workset. Question 21, after adding a gutter, you can add and remove segments. The answer is, true. Question 22, Revit uses two coordinate systems, a survey coordinate system and a project coordinate system. The survey coordinate system. The answer is, provides a real-world context for the building model. It is intended to describe locations on the surface of the Earth. Question 23, what does UI stands for in Revit? The answer is, user interface. Question 24, design options are typically used for. Choose all correct answers. The answer is, exploring different layouts for rooms or furniture and developing sustainable design alternatives. Question 25, which three are permanent dimension styles in Revit? The answer is, angular, radial and linear. Question 26, what is massing? The answer is, the process of visualizing, studying, and resolving building forms using mass instances. Question 27, in Revit, dots are families used to create the following. Building components that would usually be purchased, delivered, and installed in and around a building, such as windows, doors, casework, fixtures, furniture, and planting. The answer is, loadable families. Question 28, view cube can be found in, dots. The answer is, 3D view. Question 29, in Revit, dots creates basic elements that you would assemble on a construction site. Examples, walls, roofs, floors, ducts, pipe. The answer is, system families. Question 30, you can change the horizontal or vertical offset of a fascia through dots. Choose all correct answers. The answer is, its properties and by graphically moving the fascia.